Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall the Mail app on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, uninstalling the Mail app on your computer is easy. All you need to do is search for Mail in the Windows search bar and click on uninstall and then on uninstall once again. Now the question is, why is it so easy? It is being uninstalled, but I'll explain this. So earlier the only two options you had were through command prompt and the registry editor. Why? Because Microsoft did not want you to uninstall the app, because this was the primary mailing application in Windows. Obviously you had Outlook, but that was a paid edition, so they needed a free app to access mails, and that was the Mail app. But now it has been replaced by another app called New Outlook, this one, the third one in the list. So New Outlook is a free version of Outlook that you can use, and this is the primary mailing app, and that's why Microsoft may also delimit the Mail app soon. Now once this is installed, how can you reinstall it? Go to the Microsoft Store, search for Mail in the search bar, and then open Mail and Calendar, and then you can click on install to install the Mail and Calendar app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.